Sir, your voice is not coming.
Can you hear me now? Okay, get in, all of you. Three people can sit on one bench. What happened? Hey, friend, hey, last class you throw everything down. This class is not. Okay. Okay. Come in. Today why late? Yeah. All of you got the places. All okay now. Relax now. Yeah, this is new chairs. Okay. Yeah. All of you appeared the test paper? What was the chapter? Paper was easy. You appeared? All of you appeared? Those who are not appeared the test paper, please sit down. Not appeared. Sit down. You appeared? Is there anyone only? You are the new admission, okay? Yeah. Yeah. Okay. Paper was easy. No response. Difficult. Finally, what is it? Easy or difficult? Paper was out of 15. 15 plus 15, 30. Okay, those who feel you will get 30 out of 30, please stand there. Let's see. Is there anyone is expecting? Very good. Nice. Very good. Very good. Yeah. Equivalent principle. Question paper short. Model answer was given. Shreya? Who's Shreya? What is the equivalent principle? Where is it? 12 into? And P into N plus 1 divided by 2. No, it's wrong, no. Equivalent principle. What is the problem? Huh? Huh? Minus 6 and?
0.
So,
But that is not technically.
sit down. Take it this one. All yours only, no? Yeah. Stop talking now. Stop talking. You have to multiply this by minus 2.
Yes, sir.
So minus 2 into 0 greater than
X.
minus 2 into minus x by 2 greater than minus 2 into 3. That is 0 greater than x greater than minus 6. That is same as minus 6 less than x less than 0. Okay? Now, this is same as, so it is coming as the solution set is equal to x such that minus 6 less than x. Okay? Now, look here. This much you have followed. This can be also written as this way, minus 6, comma 0 in this interval form. Now, what is who is it? You are doing? Now, there is, look here, listen. Generally, these type of things are not there. Now, look, all of you. If it is coming as 0, I'll show you this one, minus 6. x less than or equal to 0. Minus 6 less than or equal to x less than or equal to 0. That means it can be of the form minus 6, 0. Closed, this is square bracket means a closed value. Both are included. Open interval means this one. Okay, understood all of you? Have you seen this? Was there this in the textbook or somewhere? Done? Any other problems? Ajay, who will get the 28 or more? Please stand up, let me see. Those who get, those who are expecting 28 or more than 28, please stand up. Then your hand was, both the hands were raised. Oh. Okay. Those who will get 27 or more than 27, you start 20, you will not get. Yes, what happened? Well, those who will get 26 or more than 26? 13. Means 13. Now 25 till 0, I'll come. Okay, 25 or more than 20. 25 or more than 20. Okay. What is the discussion going on? You're standing for everything. Did you appear? Sit down. Anyway, papers will come. Yes. You stand up. What is your name? Sarifa. Okay. You're from which school? Acha, Ryan Kargroli. Please come. Huh? This is a story now. Next class onwards, you know, if you are coming late, I have to keep you half an hour outside. Where were you since a long time? Where is it happening? In school, only for you, especially for you? She's from your same school only?
Sir, my mom told me to study for
This way going on means, you know, you have 50% of the UP since you go inside. Look here. All of you listen here. Yeah. Now, or listen, those who please keep that through from this passage, keep the bag inside. I wanted to move inside. Bottle also, please try to keep it. That for that one, there is no need of any discussions required. If you want to keep the bag, there are a lot of places are there behind also. You can put it behind. There is no problem. Okay. Now, what happened? What? From where? That all over. So van late means we will not wait for the van late people. Okay. Now. Now. What happened to you, this boy? Yeah. Okay now. Now. Your school is still working or holiday started? Okay. Still. Okay. 30th is the last. Whatever is there. Okay, listen all of you. Your vacation classes and all will be starting from 1st of May. You must have got the information. Okay, listen carefully. There is no discussions required. Breathe. Yeah, this one, you know, we have different schools are there and different schools follow different systems, test papers, different forms and all. Now, even the syllabus is different. Even Ryan itself, Ryan Nerul and Ryan Kargar itself, they follow the different. Even the common test paper only, they follow the same system. But for the others chapters, it is not common and all. Please remember that, you know, we cannot give holidays for all these things. Any test paper, main test paper sometimes, because, you know, otherwise we will not able to finish the portion. School will finish the portions. because they will not do quite a lot. Even linear inequation, for one example, one of the chapter. If you are taking linear inequation, they may do a limited number of questions and chapter will be finished. If that way we are not doing, we are doing almost 50% of your, at least 50% of your exercises. So that way to do complete means, we have to work till time and we need to complete the portion by at least by September. For doing this one, we will not give the holidays and all. Why I am telling this one means, if you are this one test papers and all, please don't take leave that way. If you are taking the leave that way means it's difficult, especially the subjects like maths and all, when if you are not coming and attending the pay of this one. So one day if you are not there means next day it will be difficult for you to get through it. And maths is the problem solving. Second, since it is started now, vacation throughout, we will be having classes. Most of the weekly 3 days you will be having maths itself. That means it will be almost 9 hours per week. Maths will be there. That much work will be completed. That many chapters will be completed. Why I am telling this one? Be prepared. Don't think that it's vacations are going on. We are not doing anything. Please, whenever the day to day, whenever we complete the work, please practice yourself. Now, this many, see, I will not be able to, or we will not be able to tell, do this one, do that one and all. After practicing this many times, you all felt, the 1-2 chapters, the banking and linear equation, considered to be easiest chapters. And still in the test paper, not even a single person said I could get a full mark, whatever the reason. Okay. So imagine these are chapter wise is going on. Now, when it is the full papers and all coming in your school and all, term wise exam will be there. There are 7 chapters, 8 chapters are there. So that is why you need to practice. So you regularly practice so that things will be easy. Otherwise, it will be difficult to do it. Okay. Is it clear? Okay, that is it I wanted to tell. All of you signed attendance sheet? Anasvi is still absent. Okay, you also signed? Okay. Yeah. 3 times seeing, this is the 3rd time I am calling you today. You have any problem is there, you tell me. Otherwise, I had to change the place from there too. Any problem here? Any problem to sit all 3 together over there? Because that bench is a little small compared to, because that pillar is there, no? Yeah. Yes, we are doing the quadratic equation chapter. We have finished the first exercise. So we have to do the, which one? Zero product rule we have to do, factorization and all. Yes, what is your problem? Question 1, 3rd part, you have a problem. Read the question. Repeat once more. Who is talking again? Archit, what happened? Why didn't you appear the exam? Yes, read. Minus b square. That's all. Okay. So you have the value. This equation question, no? Okay. Where generally A, B, C are real numbers. Okay. Look over here. A is equal to how much? 1. B is equal to minus A. C is equal to minus B square. Comment means you have to find out what value? Discriminant. B square minus 4AC. So that is same as minus A whole square time minus 4 times 1 time minus B square. Okay. Then over here, so it is A square plus 4B square. This much you must have got. What happened? Now, over here, we know A and B are real numbers. Square of real numbers are always greater than or equal to 0. It cannot be negative. So A square will be greater than or equal to 0. B square will be also greater than. So it will be always greater than or equal to 0, you can say. Therefore, the roots are real. Okay. Unequal means, there are conditions are there, because sometimes it can be equal also. If it is equal to 0, both are, is it given anything? A and B are not equal to 0 or something? Okay, it's a basically its roots are real. And check the option if it is given. Now look here. If it is option is given over there, real and unequal, always consider real and unequal. If it is separately real is given means in. Are you followed, all of you? You are followed? Yes or no? Not followed. Renuka. Renuka, no? So what's your name? Gayatri, sorry. What is the you are followed or not? Still doubt? Okay. Yeah, that this one is it's not convincing. That's why I'm asking. If a doubt is there, if a reason read it, you tell me. Read. Minus 10x. Huh. Stand up, Arnav. Come to the first bench. I'll put you over here, this side. You wanted to sit and talk means. Okay, you stand there. Okay, read 1 second. N minus 5. Hmm. Hmm. What's the question? What here? Why the value? What is the problem here? How will you, when the roots are equal, what is the condition? Why are you looking there down? Hello? To him? Since long time he at least the page and read what is there. So when the roots are equal, b square minus 4ac equal to 0. So you have the value of a is 3, b is equal to minus 12, c is equal to n minus 5. So b square minus 4ac is equal to 0. Minus 12 whole square. Minus 4 times 3 times n minus. Which you're on. Okay, Gayatri. Now, after this one, look here. After doing this one, that your own way you can do. I have done this way. You, if you want to open and simplify, whichever the convenient way. It's not that these rules are compulsory, but till here it is compulsory. Remaining till here. Remaining you can do simplification your own method. Some of you open, simplified, whatever the way. That is the record of yours. Whatever I tell in the here examination hall how you are solving, that is very important. Okay. So n is equal to 17. Your problem solved? All of you completed the homework? Yes, I have to check the homework people. Okay. Hmm? You want to write this one? You done the homework, na? You are the first person shouted, I did the homework. Okay. I'll do one thing. I'll quick exercise will do. Those who have done the homework, please stand up. Oh, this will shout was there. Half the people are sitting still here. You. Huh? Homework. Yeah. Standing. When did you do the homework? When? Friday.
He will say, my dog is mine.
Sit down. Now, listen, all of you. So now let's come to the common punishment part. Okay, those who are not doing the homework, there are homework questions. How many times? 5 times. Who's the 2? 5 is enough. Okay. Homework questions we will make you to do 5 times. Is it how many questions were given homework for you? That to do it's how much time is required? All maximum 10 to 15 minutes. Okay. Yeah. Rudra, completed. Yeah. Listen, we are doing the further. Listen, all of you. We have done in the quadratic equation so far. Whatever we have done is, let's quickly recap the quadratic equation. What's the quadratic equation?
It's the equation of maximum value. Highest value.
Highest power is 2. It's general form. You can tell no need. The equation of the form ax square plus bx plus c equal to 0. A is not equal to 0. What do you mean by solution of the equation? What is the meaning of solution of the equation? What do you mean by solution of the equation? Solve means, or what do you mean? What is the meaning of solve? Tell na. If the question is solve, what answer you have to find out? What is the meaning of solve? Find the unknown value. There is something is unknown over there that you have to find out. That so solution means the value of the variable which satisfy that condition. Okay. Here, quadratic equation has how many solutions? At the most 2. There is solution is also known as roots of the quadratic equation. Okay. And in ax square plus bx plus c, is there any condition is there? Ax square plus bx plus c equal to 0. A should not be equal to 0. Okay. Yeah. Next is, so the roots are there. Then again, next is discriminant. Value of b square minus 4ac generally by d. Sit down. Okay. What is the condition for roots are unequal? B square minus 4ac greater than 0. What is the condition for roots are equal? Oh, it's so complicated now. We have to study paragraphs now. B square minus 4ac is equal to 0. Stand and learn. I'll go to ask everything. You are there now these all days. Yeah. What is the condition for B roots are imaginary? Less than 0. Okay. What is the condition for real roots? Greater than or equal to 0. Then what is the condition for irrational roots? Irrational roots. Wait, you want to tell? Tell.
B square minus 4ac is greater than 0 if it is not a perfect.
B square minus 4ac should be greater than 0 and it is not a perfect square. There is one more condition is provided A, B, C are rational. Okay. A, B, C are rational also is there. Okay. Sit down. Okay. There are, if A, B, C are rational and if B square minus 4ac is a perfect square, then what is the condition? Roots are unequal and rational. These conditions are extra only. It's generally it is not there. No problem. Now, look here. We have discussed what is zero product rule. Okay, what is zero product rule? And when the answer is 0. These all things, questions coming there. This also will keep the punishment. What do you mean by zero product rule? If AB equal to 0, or either A equal to 0 or B equal to 0. Both. Generally A 0 as well as B 0, both of them 0. Okay. Now, we are doing by solving the equation, quadratic equation solution, that is called factorization method. Certain parts I explained. Now we are going to do the exercise. Before going to the exercise, is there anyone having a problem in splitting the middle term? Those who have problem, raise the hands. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, there are people. Now listen. Put the hand down. Simple, some questions I'll show you. After that, whenever it's required, then I'll do the complicated ones also. Suppose if it is coming as 6x square minus x minus 1 equal to 0. A, who is that? Listen carefully. Those who don't know, then I'm explaining for the people, those who don't know. Others quietly listen. First and foremost thing is this one. All the equations you cannot do by splitting middle term. There are ways are there, that parts are not there because irrational and all, making and all. But generally, whenever question comes, solve by factorization means you can split the middle term. Don't write we cannot split the middle term. Generally, question will come with the splitting middle term only. But if it is given only solve, then there is a second method is there. So it may not be possible for to do the splitting middle term. Now, first and foremost thing is identify what are the values of A, B, C. Here A is equal to 6, B equal to minus 1. C is also is minus 1. Find out the value of AC and value of B. AC is equal to how much? Minus 6. And B is equal to minus 1. Okay. Always see this one. This is the first process. Find the value of AC and minus B. Now, your rule is find two numbers whose product is equal to minus 6 and sum is equal to minus 1. I repeat, you need to find out two numbers whose product is equal to minus 6 and sum is equal to minus 1. Whenever, listen carefully, whenever this way it is coming, check always product term. Product is negative means you have to find two numbers and subtract. Okay. Product of this one, you if this product is negative means take 6 factors and subtract, automatically it will come. Like factors of 6 can be factorized as 6 into 1, but 6 minus 1 is not equal to minus 1. Then what is the next one? 3 and 2. 3 and 2. 3 minus 2 is equal to 1, but we need minus 1, so minus 3. Okay, understood. So this is come as 6x square minus 3x plus 2x minus 1. Then group first 2 and common factor is taken 3x. That is what is it? 2x minus 1. Nothing is common means what? Plus 1. Any order you can write, there is no problem. So this is the one, factorization is done. Okay, understood. Now look here, you have to be careful, very careful. Suppose if the same question was given as 6x square plus 5x minus 1 equal to 0. Then product is how much? Minus 6. Sum is equal to 5. So which are the numbers? 6 and minus 1. So it is coming. Yes, tell. Which are the two numbers? What is 3 into 2?
6.
What is the product over here? What is the product over here? What is the product? Minus 6. 3 into 2 is how much? Minus 6 or plus 6? Then how will you do it? Minus 3 and minus 3 into minus 2 is how much? So then what is your understood or not? When you split the middle term, listen, all of you look here. Splitting middle term, you cannot get two different factors. Okay, always there is some mistake you must have made. So your product, that is why you find out what is product. Minus 6. Sum is equal to 5. Only one. Tell. Agreed? AC 6 into minus 1. So it is only the possibility 6 and minus 1. You can interchange minus 1 and 6 you can write. Okay, 6 and minus 1. So 6x square plus 6x minus x or minus 1x minus 1. So you can take 6x as common, x plus minus 1 into x plus 1. This part you have to be very careful. Okay, Because we write 3 and 2 and then automatically we try to adjust and make it. Okay. That is x plus 1 times 6x minus 1 equal to 0. Okay. Then you will be getting as the corresponding values. Okay. Now from here solving, you know how to do it. 2x minus 1 equal to 0 or 3x plus 1 equal to 0. X is equal to 1 by 2 or x is equal to minus 1 by 3. So solution set is what? 1 by 2 comma minus 1. Okay. Set symbol you have to put it. If you are not confident with what symbol you have to put, just write x equal this much is enough. Don't make mistake. Like if you are going to write this way. This is something. Okay. So you have two answers, set symbol you have to put it. Hope all of you followed. Okay. Now the question immediately asks, should we make into decimal form? Not required. In the simplified form, you write it as that is enough. Okay, big numbers when it is coming, factorize. When the question comes, factorization, I will show you. Factorize and get. Product will be factorized and then we will grouping and all do. When there are questions, will the big numbers also will come. Okay, in hundreds, thousands and all. That will. This is the basic concept of the splitting middle term. Hope all of you followed. Basic thing is product is equal to AC and sum is equal to B. Two numbers, find out whose product. Then split that accordingly. Now, next is suppose now along with this one, suppose if it is coming sometime.
Sir, again the voice is not coming. Sir, again the voice is not coming.
Can you hear? No. Is it A quadratic equation means A cannot be 0. What is the value of A? 6. It is. Now, immediately the first principle of your factorization principle is what is common between everything take. Here it is coming as x is common, left out is what? 6x minus 1. Okay, therefore x is equal to 0 or 6x minus 1. Therefore, solution is x equal to 0 or x is equal to 1 by 6. Okay now? Hope, Okay now? 1 by 6 is coming. Hope all of you followed this one also. Now, third one it is coming as, suppose if it is coming as this one. I think this all I explained once. Okay, suppose if it was coming as 6x square minus 1 equal to 0.
Sir, the battery of this mic is over. I think.
Yeah. Okay now, let's it all followed now. Now, what type I have to explain to you? Suppose if it is coming as this one.
Question? Hello.
Hello.
Can you hear now?
Yes.
Okay.
Okay.
Yeah. All of you listen here. This one. 2x plus 3 whole square minus 25. Who will explain?
So we'll take 25 that side and square that.
Sir, it just
Yeah,
gives.
We can.
It would be 2x plus 3 the whole square minus 5 square.
Sit down, roll pocket use 2x plus 3 whole square minus 5 square is equal to 0. Therefore, it is coming as 2x plus 3
Plus 5, 2x plus 3 minus 5. 2x plus 2x.
minus 2 equal to 0. So from here it will come as minus 8 by 2 with minus 4 and x is equal to 1. All of you listen here. These two questions I have written over here. Look. Remove it and put in your bag that one. It's necessary for you, not required. Yeah. No, put in the bag, wherever the bag. Hey, you go back and do it now. Now look here. All of you listen. This one, what she said, it is correct. There is no problem. What you are telling expansion, no, that also okay. Now look, if the question is come. Now, if the question is coming as listen, solve by fact, if it is specified, solve by factorization means you have to factorize and do it. What he said, you can do it, expand and factorize the middle term. That is little lengthy. If it is just directly solve means, yes, there is no problem. You can do it as 2x plus 3 is equal, all square is equal to 25. Now, what is the next step? Take the square root. Therefore, 2x plus 3 equal to
5 plus minus.
plus minus 5. Remember that. Otherwise, plus 5 means only one solution will get. Then you can separate into two parts. 2x plus 3 equal to 5 or 2x plus 3 is equal to minus 5. Then solve it. The same thing this one also. Over here, if it is solved by factorization means you do this way. Directly solve means you can take 6x square is equal to 1. X square is equal to how much? 1 by 6. Therefore, take the square root x equal to 9. Root of 1 by 6 is same as 1 upon 6. Answers will come. You read the question, identify. Okay. Generally, most of cases may not be given us by solved by factorization. Just only given by solve. But if it is specified, you have to do it by factorization. Hope all of you followed.
Yes.
Okay, this one takes. Yeah. Exercise 5.2. Exercise 5.2. That is one only come. All right, okay. So question is what? Solve by? Solve by, okay. But try to let's do it by factorization only, okay? What is the first question? X square minus 10x minus 24. Do not shout the answers. All of you try to solve it. Without discussions, you have to do it. There is no need of any discussion. All of you try to do yourself. Check carefully the factors, and those who are completed, go to the next one. Do it. You have to find out two numbers whose product is minus 24 and sum is equal to minus 10. Or by this time you must have got the factors minus 12 and plus 2. Is it or not? Not 8 and 3 or something, not 6 and 4, x square minus 12x plus 2x minus 24. This is the only factor will be for satisfying this condition. Then try to. Hope all of you got this answer.
Yes.
What happened? You're mistaking it. Simple. Be careful while doing the sums. Okay. 6 and 4, why it will not satisfy? Not agree. When the 6 and 4 will satisfy? Had it been if it was plus 24. Before, okay, if it was plus 24, it could have been satisfied. You be very careful about this condition. Okay, if it was plus 24, minus 6 and minus 4 automatic. So check once again. Okay. Second one start. That's simple now. Factor you all do by factor. That's one step only. Now what is that? X square minus 16.
Minus 2 square.
Priyanshu, how many questions are done now? Come here, Priyanshu. You're waiting for the others to go to the right. 2x square minus half x. Are we following? 2x square minus half x is equal to 0. No, let's do the sum here. And first one even not completed. Where? Show your book. Show your book now. Then where is the UT? Sir. And then what is your answer? 12 values. Is it 12 and 2? Is 12 and minus 2? Yes, sir. You come in. Take the note. What happened? Who is that? Complete now. Come. Check what is the mistake. What happened now? You don't know. You factorize, then you take all the factors to 0. X is equal to 0, comma 2x minus 1 by 2 equal to 0. Then 2x equal to what happened? Do it fast now. I thought you must complete. Very good. You really found, huh? Yes or no? Array, what array? You also did the same thing now. What is the rule? Addition changes to, subtraction changes to, multiplication changes to, division changes to. So this is 2 is multiplication or division? Changes to what? Multiplication. Take the book and go behind and don't sit and talk there. If Rudra is talking, you give and clap him. Rudra was complaining about him, that is why I brought him here. He was talking, no? Yes. Now we'll sit and so, hope all of you followed, and the solution set is equal to 0, 1 by 4. Be careful while solving. Okay, check the if this one Those who wanted to change the multiply by 2 and start, whichever the way you can do it, there is no problem. Any clarification required? Okay, done. All of you. Here, these girls stand up. Come in. Stop this. Write the question now. What is it? X times x minus 5. X times x multiplied by x minus 5. I'll write the question. Equal to 20. So, why there is a discussion? These all questions, no discussions required. Yeah, next time going to calling you. Do fast. Starting can but not what? Hello, did you make into, before going to do this one, you have to make into the quadratic equation form. Is it quadratic equation form? It is not now. First you open the bracket. Open the bracket, remove the bracket. So what will you get? X square minus. You solve in your book. Multiply now x into 5 is how much? Difficult, no? Attention. Right now minus 5x. Bring this over here. Minus 24. Understood or not? Can you do it? Tell what is the product? Product is 5. What is your product over here? Product is AC. 1 into minus 24 minus 24. Sum is equal to B minus 5. Can you tell the factors? Huh? 3 and the product should be 23 into 3 and 7. 3 into 7 is 24. Can you come over here or put out? 3 8s are na. Who is that? I means who is that I? When you come to the board, don't be sensitive. Try to solve it the same method which we do. If you have problem, please tell me. I'll explain. So you get as x plus 3 equal to 0. What happened? I will call it. Don't. Completed. Then we stand up. What happens? What happened? Then we come here. Fast. Ba. Right. 9x by 2 is equal to 5 plus x square. Simplify and split the middle term. Power you do multiply by 2, so fraction will go now. So what do you get? 9. Right. You don't need to just write 9x. Multiplying by 2, that is gone now. So directly it is equal to 5 into 2 is how much? 10. Then plus make it to one side everything. Make it to the bottom. Correct. Right, no problem. What is your problem? You write 0 equal. It is not in the standard form now, equal to 0, right? Then 2x square plus 2x x square was now 2x square minus 9x plus 10. You know, no? Product is how much? Product is how much? Product is how much? AC. What is A? 2 to 10 is how much? 20. So sum should be 9. So which are the numbers? What into what is 20? Tell to what minus 5 and minus 1. Common, huh? Fast. The minus is taken, what will come? Sign will change now. Equal to 0. 2x minus 5. The third person come over here and could not complete properly. So 2x minus 5, x equal to 5 by 2, x equal to 2. 3 people came over here, all 3 could not do. Started with my Priyanshu, no? Done, all of you. This was question number. 5. This is 5 or 6. This is 6 or 5.
That is 5.
5. This is a 5. Okay. Continue. What happened? Can you tell the 6 now? 6 not done.
6 done.
We
Done.
are not, I'm not
Interchange you can do. Same answer. Check, same answer got now? Or different
I
answer?
got different kind of, that's why.
Answer is same.
Yes.
In the you can write instead of minus 4x minus 5x. Then you will get x minus 2 first. Okay, there is no problem. Yes, sir, come here. What happens?
I don't know.
You don't know, we'll do now. Come now. I did this question on the board only. 2x minus 3 whole square.
Without the factor.
Right, 2x minus 3 whole square. Minus 3 the whole square is equal to how much? 49. You will, this method, this is not factorization method, okay? Keep that 49 to the left side. Please stand up. Come here. You come over here. Then by 49 can be written as what? 2 square. Who is that? Rub the board. A square minus b square property you know how to apply. Yes. Now then what are you waiting for? Write into that form. Right, x plus 1. Yes. X plus 1 times 2x plus 8.
X plus 1 times
2x plus 8 is equal to
x plus 1.
times x plus. Okay. What has to be x? You're not missing answer. Which was let much slap for me. Let me to the body because even you don't have to copy. You don't come to me. Why are you doing it? Yes, madam. You don't know how to speak. What is it? You do it with the bank. Later you will write this down. Who is disturbing you?
Sir.
You got the answer? Who decided? Let me see. X equal to 2x minus 3 equal to minus 7. Okay, minus 4 x equal to 5 and x equal to minus 57. Are you following? You are going to do some sort of work. This one here. What I see. Looks what let me see 2x squared plus 8x plus 2x plus 7 that's okay. What is root 39 minus root 30? What happened then? If it is a do by factorization, factorization show. Okay. If the factorization method means a square minus b square. What happened? Why there is question for you? Which question? The opening the bracket problem. Rudra. Yeah. Completed all of you? Yes, sir. Now listen carefully now. There will be questions. These are only solved only, so you can keep the answers. Next is, you have to take, there will be tables will be given for in the exams. Square root table, square table, logarithm basically you don't have this here. Okay. So these are values finding from the table you should know. Directly sum of 1300 directly you can find out. Whereas there are some 130s coming, fractions are coming. That what I will explain little later. Next class onwards, listen all of you. Because that is immediate. Next class, you all of you must carry your Selena. Your Selena, that table is there. I'll teach you. There are two tables are there. One is the trigonometry table and the square root table. Okay. So square root table we have to learn. That I will explain to you. Because sometimes they will give the question, find answer up to one place of decimal or in the decimal. So you have to take from there. Otherwise, directly taking square root will be difficult. You learn square root also. That is complicated. Okay. So next class, please remember to get the table also. These two questions, all of you followed. Any problem? Again, I am telling you this one. You can continue as he said. You can continue x is equal to plus or minus root 13. Provided if the question is not mentioned, factorization. Okay, here now immediately this one I asked you people to do by solve by factorization. Fine, no problem. Okay, now.
Yes.
All of you.
Yes.
This is the question number. Which is the question? How many more are there? Lot more are there? 12. Yes, here. Call that girl. Stand up, come here. She's tired looking. What happened? Sleeping out. Come out from there. Call that the specs also. Now. Question number, what is the question? Next question. This is 8, no?
That is 7.
That is 8, 7 and 8 is done now?
No, 7 is done.
8, right? You're right. You are doing revision 9 from, no? Okay. 4 times. 4 times x minus y. Also. Minus. Minus 14. There's a mistake now. And minus multiplied, it will come as what? So there is a sign of minus x minus opposite sign. That's Rudra, you know? Come now, you didn't. Huh? Any meeting of registration right for you. Both the parts are done. Check the step. These are check it. They are done perfectly. There is no problem. Open the bracket. Whenever these alphabets are coming, mainly the factorization quite a lot of times are easy. Just remove the bracket automatically. Even this one. See, don't no need. Yeah, don't expand. Substitution, do it and do it. That's easier way. Even expansion you can do, but it's complicated. This is easier way. Always see that if it is a common things are there, replay and resubstitute. Okay. Completed. Breathe. Done both of them. Please try to do. Don't look at there and say, you know, see, you have to practice. Here you have to practice. Then you can do the exam without any problem. You must have noticed, you know, if you did yourself, then exams will be easy. If you just copy from here and there, then ask for the copying only. Completed. You will call the one. Should I switch it off? If you want to switch it off, I will switch it off. You all are feeling cold? Hello? Feeling cold?
No, sir.
Yeah. 5 minutes of break. Rudra, otherwise you'll shout at me again. Okay, 5 minutes. After 5 minutes.
मैंने इसको एक रीजन की वजह से ही बताया
क्योंकि नहीं मुझे भी रीजन नहीं पता अरे
There, did you hear? There's a lot of disturbances going on. One is you. Rudra. Okay, Rudra is disturbed there. Who is disturbed? Only Rudra? Other than Rudra, anyone is? No. He is talking. Is it okay? Wait. Take out the books, Alvasi. Now let's continue. Then this one. Question number, this is which one? This is 9th and 10th. 10th we had to know. What is the question?
X minus 3 upon x minus x minus 3 upon x plus 3
Rudra, wait over here.
plus x plus 3 upon x minus 3
X plus 3 upon X minus 3.
is equal to 1 by 2.
Hello. There are people are complaining. There is a lot of disturbance because of it. Then wherever you sit. Hello. What many means? Whomsoever is there, right? You just I'm making him out sitting out there. No discussion. If anyone take your name, then. Yeah. Here you can see one of them, you take it as y, other one is it's reciprocal. So you can take like x minus 3 upon x plus 3 is equal to y. Therefore, x plus 3 upon x minus 3 is equal to 1 upon y. Therefore, y plus 1 upon y. 2 1 by 2 is equal to 5 by 2. LCM you can take y square plus 1. cross multiply, that is 2y square plus, remember to multiply here also is equal to 5y. That is 2y square minus 5y. Plus 2 is equal to 0. Now factorization is not complicated, so you can split the middle term, 3 is placed. If anyone facing a problem, please tell. Factorization done.
Yes.
2y square minus 4y minus y.
Yes.
Okay, that is 2 times y minus 2 minus 1 time y minus 2. So it is coming as y is equal to 2 or y is equal to 1 by 2. Replace x minus 3 upon x plus 3 equal to 2 or x minus 3 upon x plus 3 is equal to 1 by 2. Cross multiplication and get the value. Not follow. You got this much? We are questioning in terms.
Both side minus.
So this is the value of what? Y, na? Don't say 1 by y's value.
That is 3.
Plus it 2.
This one, na? Okay. Then cross multiply x minus 3 is equal to 2x plus 6 or 2x minus 6 equal to x plus 3. Minus 3 minus 6 equal to x equal to minus 9, x is equal to plus.
Yes.
Those are done by taking the LCM also, same answer should come. Some of you must have taken the LCM and did no problem. If you are done by LCM, you must have got x square minus 9 equal to 0. Sorry, x square minus 81 equal to 80. No, who was done by taking LCM? But did you get x square minus 81? Good. Again, I am telling you different ways you can do it. Not the one method. There are different ways are there. Done. Review done. Now, when are you going to do sums on the board? That's right, you can tell. I will give the first one. Right. You go and write 11th one over there. You write here. You go there. 11th one you write. Write the 12th one. I do not there is a place there now. Write the 12th one. Root of Check once again, question copied is correct or no. Second is square. Check once again, question copied is correct or no.
ये भाई है।
That's where we can find no. Take another pen. This is the pen in front. You also take the question you copied correctly. Well, done. Okay. That's that. Sir, how are you? Eventual LCM LCM you have to take. Okay, run now. That is the correction. Wait, in between Rudra called me. Shh, stop talking now. So it is coming as x plus 1 plus 1 x plus 2 upon this x minus 1 x minus 2, that is correct. This is x square minus I thought it is square. So 8x square minus 32. That's so why you have to remove the page itself at me, no? Product is how much? Product is 6 or minus 6?
-3 and
Minus 6. So what are you talking? Minus 3 and plus 2. No? You should have completed before.
I didn't
What happened? Like I said no, before the class starts, you have to come over here. So you'll wait till 6:30 or 6:35 only to come. You can sit in the front bench now. No. When you go to the back side, the same problem is happening. No. Sit down. Yeah. Can you see now? Now look here. What have you looked at? Look here. Question number 11. Those are not followed. How it is simplified? This you have to simplify as taking the LCM. So it will come as what? X plus 1. 1 into x plus 1 is x plus 1 plus 1 times here 1 into x minus 1 upon x minus 1 equal to 7 by 8. This is same as x plus 2 upon x plus 1 times x minus 2 upon x minus 1 is equal to. Is there anyone having a doubt to do this one? Still here. Now what is the problem then? After that, we multiply numerator. No? This is this into this. X a plus b to a minus b. No? A square minus b square. X square minus 2 square upon x square minus 1. Okay, now?
Yes.
Just write it. Sorry.
What?
Why? Without any reason. So x square minus 4. Remaining, should I do it?
No, sir.
Any problems are there? Tell. Completed for
Yes, sir.
it was question number we get 11 and 12. No?
Oh my God.
You can read this one now. Any problems? Tell no problem. Then we done both. Arnav done. How many questions are done? 12. So out of 12, all 12 you have followed now. I'll ask some of the questions, whichever we have done, I'll ask you to do on the board. Ready now? Ready, no? Okay. First question is over.
Yes.
Okay, read the second question.
Find the quadratic equation value of solution that is 3,5.
Solution that is 3,5. So it's opposite way you have to do it.
Yes.
Therefore, from here you write x is equal to 3, x is equal to 5. Then that is x minus 3 equal to 0, x minus 5 equal to 0. That is x. Just opposite steps. Then open it.
X square minus 5x minus
X into x minus 5 if you want, or directly write. Whichever the way do it.
square minus 5x dx plus
Minus 8x plus 15. Hope all of you followed.
Yes.
Just it is here, previous first question was given, this is given, you have to get this one. It's opposite. Huh? Then you have no choice, my dear. If you are given this way, you have to do. No, I will not do that way. No, okay. He is telling this easier, leave that question to me, I will solve it. Wait, your time is coming. How many parts are there? Only this only. Do the 0 part. What is the name, by the way? I forgot. Bilal. Bilal, read the next question.
Find the value of x if 8 plus 1 is equal to 0 and x squared plus ax minus 6 is equal to 0.
Please come here. A plus 1 is equal to 0. And x square plus ax minus 6 equal to 0. X square plus ax minus 6 equal to 0. Are you following? You have to find the value of x. Simple now. Find the value of a first.
So done.
Then replace it. Therefore, what do you get? Erase them. Now you can solve it. Split them written. What is your name? Huh? Namia. N. Done all these exercises completed, Namia? Done the exercise over? How many more are there? This is the question number? Third. She has completed complete exercise. 7 done. Can do the homework part if you want. Problem. That's it. The values of x are 3 and -2. Solution that you can write. Yes, right. Yes. Right. So value you can direct this is enough also x equal to solution that is not that you can. Okay. Completed. That was find the value. Which one and which one? But 9 question number is y is equal to 2x minus 3. Na? All of you know how to answer the question according to all the people. Question number which one? 4 is the similar one we have done. All of you can do it? Yes, sir. I said it is 2x, one is 2x minus 3 and one is 2x plus 3. These are the names to say. But read over here, na, this is not 2x plus 3. What is this? What is this? What is this? So come here. Do it. Come. What do you? Huh? They only that only remaining are same. Easy, no? Come. Right, y is equal to 2x plus 3. Y is equal to 2x plus 3. Return. 2x plus 3. You know, right? So 4 times 2x plus 3 whole square minus 2x plus 3 in bracket. Minus 40. 0. Replace and solve it. Are you following? You know how to do now? There is no problem now. So come here. Able to do now? Or sitting and talking only? So they are talking to you. No. You are listening to them. Come now. Done all the questions now. I am wanted to see everyone's book, all the solutions should be there. Are you following? Able to do? Problem? Tension? No. A little more bigger we write here. What happened to what happened to Rudra? Do in your book, no? Book in there from the figures are trying for signatures now. Realize little more this not followed. You're just copying only. Following and do it now, split the middle term, y replace and do it. These are not doing for it. What happened? Problem? Why you have to find out the value of x now? Replace. What all values we got? Y is equal to. You can replace here more time. Okay. Here if I solve for x now. Yes or no? Yes, sir. Then simplify it. 8x plus. You are standing here only, not followed. What is the next thing we? The quadratic equation is equation x square minus plus 4x under 6. Find the value of x and the other thing of the equation. So write the equation x square. Difficult what you tell now, I will explain. It's just not seeing. Please don't just simply copy from the board. Try to do it yourself. Which question? Question number? That one? Which he is me or he is me?
I get
19 by minus 19. Return.
maybe there should be
It's off.
plus one, right?
Now look here. Listen all of this one. Y is equal, substitute y equal to 2x plus 3. So replace 2y as this one and factorize. And after factorization, you replace y equal to, and you get. What is the doubt over here? Then, did you read the question? Read the question loudly. Why is it what? The half things you are not reading. Use the substitution y is equal to 2x plus 3. So look here, the question is this one. 4 times 2x plus 3 all square minus of 2x plus 3 minus 14 equal to 0. Use the substitution means instead of 2x plus 3, what will you substitute? Y. So 4y square minus 6. Understood or not? Then you solve it and get a factorization. After that, what happened? After that, replace y as 2x plus 3 and get the value of x. Understood or not? You followed. What is your problem? This sum. That one I am explaining, between I will explain. That explanation is going on. So here, what is the condition? X is equal to 3. So replace. So right, x is equal to 3. No, replace x. Just below. Replace x equal to 3 in this one. Replace wherever x is there. Below, right? 3 square. So what is the problem? One rule means replace x equal to 3. That's all. That is replace x equal to 3 means what? 3 will x. Who is that? Again x equal to punishment here, right? X equal to. This will be replaced as what? 3 square minus, what is it? M plus 1 times 3 plus 6. Have you followed? Solve it now. Or simplify. Simplify. What is 3 square? Villar only knows the remaining. How many steps you write? Look, 3 square is 9. Minus 3, there is minus 3 here. Minus 1 into 3, minus 3. Plus 6 equal to 0. Understood or not? Then how do you do it? How did you get 50? 12 minus 3 is equal to 13. So you have tension out. Equal to now you have to get the second solution means replace. Therefore, x square plus. Okay. Minus 5 plus 50. Yeah. What happened? What is your problem? You continue. You continue. So first you got the value of m now. So replace and solve it now. Factorize. You got the value of m. You got the value of m now. What is the value? You continue split them. What you are waiting for me to do? You know how to split the middle term? But at 12, we are doing the 12th or 13th, some still confusion. Product is how much? Let me hear.
Correct.
Where do you stay? Road punch. Huh? Why you are late in this class? Coming, traveling. Next class onwards, come and sit in the front bench. You are not coming. Friends are there. Who are your friends in this class? Oh, Priyanshu is there. So come and sit in the front bench and solve it. This way coming, you know, mark will come means practice. See, I was less than the first lecture. This is 8th standard working on factorization, no? Understood. So, what happened, Bilal? Okay, nice. So come because I am seeing you are not doing the work seriously. No, sir. What book are you copying me? And it's very easy, na? It's got the solutions are there. It's not. Then if your notebook means why is this one? How many things you want to see? How many things are this one? It's the simplest one. Okay, so little more be serious. Okay. Minus 3x minus 2x. 2 divided by Priyanshu. If not, you made mistake. Cross multiply. And no mistakes. No mistakes. Exams you will not do mistakes. Rudra, are you followed? Look, you have followed. How did you get M? Did you follow? How did you get M? How many of you have not followed this one? Raise a hand, no problem. Once. Hi. Bilal, you not followed? No, you have. Yeah. Look here. 3 is a root. So you can read it. So should satisfy this condition. So replace x equal to 3. Replace x equal to 3 and solve it. You will take the value of m equal to 4. Okay, na? You got it. Then once you got m equal to 4, that is not enough. You have to find the other root. For that one, we will put the value of m over here. So what did you get? 4 plus 1, 5x. Then how will you get factors? They already 3 is the root. What is the other root? Problem solved. See, if it is what is the mean by solution? What is the meaning of the solution? Value of the variable which satisfies. So 3 is the solution means x should be 3 and it will LHS equal to RH. Okay, now completed. What happened? There are a lot of people who have called. See, since long time he is waiting for his chance. No problem. Yeah. Completed all of you? Yes. Everyone? This is question number which one? 6. Namia coming. Question number 3. Right. X upon A minus A plus B upon X is equal to Priyanshu is talking B times A plus B upon X. A upon AX. Yes. You have to solve. Mistake. What are you doing? LCM taking, no? Let's complete that. Huh? Conclusion, you know. No. Relax. Here, there you could have done this one. Listen here. This one you could have done this one. What x square minus a times a plus b is equal to b times a plus b now. Therefore, x square is equal to a times a plus b times a plus b. That is a plus b times a plus b. X equal to plus minus a plus. What she said done is perfect, correct, very good. What happened? You got the value of m is equal to this. You got m is equal to 4. Did you solve? And you got m is equal to 4. And you got the other root is equal to 2. So you trust yourself. Okay, na? No problem. There's a print. Some of the printing mistakes are there. Done, all of you? Yes. Done. Completed, all of you? Yeah. One fellow is still long time is saying this question is wrong, this question is wrong, this question is wrong. You also wrong, no? You also said it's wrong. And you feel? Then you did. So you should prove he is wrong, no? How you have to solve? Proofing of common factorization. Factorization. This is correct, it is correct. Okay, both are done. Listen here. Read the next question. You're done? Done. You're also, you.
Minus 1 and 3 are the roots of x square.
Minus 1 and 3 are the.
Roots of x square plus a plus b.
Okay. Find the value of p and q now. So, look here, there are two different ways you can do simpler way. X equal to minus 1 and x equal to 3. That is x plus 1 equal to 0 and x minus 3 equal to 3. X plus 1 times x minus 3 equal to 0. That is x square minus 3x plus x minus 3 equal to 0. X square minus 2x minus 3 equal to 0. This is of the form x square plus px plus q. Compare p is equal to how much? Minus 2, q is equal to minus 3. Understood or not?
Yes, sir.
This is one way. Other way, replace x equal to minus 1. You will get one equation in terms of p and q. Replace x equal to 3. Another equation. Solve it. That you wanted to see. If you want to see that also is not difficult. When x equal to minus 1, your equation is x square plus px plus q equal to 0. Replace what you get? Minus 1 whole square plus p times minus 1 plus q. What is it? 1 minus p. Bilal, what discussion is going on? Who is talking? Same way, x equal to second is 3. That is 3 square plus p times 3. Okay. Solve these two equations simultaneously. Subtract 4p is equal to minus 8. P equal to minus 2. Huh? Whichever the one, both are easy. You feel it is difficult, take the easy one. Okay. You didn't like this one. Are you do this one? Huh? This is also not done. Hello. Things are not moving in a proper way out. All are not completed. Difficulty. Easy, but let's speed up. Okay. All of you could complete this one.
Yes.
I have not gone very fast and all. It's all, if you see this one means most of the cases are factorization. Printing printer we are done in 8th standard. So that, no, you're right. Okay. Done, fine. Okay, so. Cross multiplication also study can be yeah. Yes, this one, any of the, look here. We are done almost, 16, around 17, 18, something we are done together, isn't it? Any of the question, whichever the question you are not followed, you feel it's a complicated form, you tell me, not follow the step, go through. No problems. If you have a problem, please tell. Yes. 9 to 1. Where is 9? There is no 9 only. First part 9. What he asked and I followed a Priyanshu. Okay, read. Read.
1 plus 1
That is nice one. This was explained 2 times in the class. 1 plus 1 upon x plus 1. Is it or not? Times 1 minus 1 upon x minus 1. Even I remember is equal to 7 by 8 now. What is your doubt? Tell me. How to solve? LCM you know how to take. You tell me LCM and tell me.
x plus 1 plus 1. X minus 1. And minus x plus 1.
What is x plus 1 plus 1? What is the problem? A plus B, A minus B. How much? A square minus B square, that is x square. X square minus B. Here we can yes, what is your problem? What is your problem? You did cross multiplication, then you got the correct answer. Very good. Nice. Okay. Okay now. All fine. Still problem. The root is gone now. No root. Answer, final answer contains only A plus B and A minus. What is the name? Huh? Naomi. Janvi, are you doing following? When are you going to do some sort of work? Next time. Okay, listen all of you. So the part is over, factorization is over. Now, there are questions which you cannot factorize. That part we are going to discuss now. The condition, look here. What is the time? So we are closing the time. Extra things I'll give. Don't worry. Factorization I'll give. Listen, all of you. Ax square plus. You got it? Achha, listen now. We are going to learn this one how to factorize this one first. Okay, listen carefully. We have ax square plus bx plus Rudra. It's for you also. Okay. Tired or what? Little water you drink. You'll be all right. Then I have to decide whether to send this picture to you. Yeah, all of you look here. What we do means, we will shift this C to that side. So what will you get? ax square
plus bx
Plus ax square minus c.
minus c. This means no problem. Now, I divide it by a. Divide throughout by a, what will you get?
x square plus bx minus c by
This also no problem. Now, listen carefully. These are ABC are there. We have identities are there. One is a plus b whole square. You know what is a plus b whole square? A square plus 2ab plus
B
b square. If I take the square of x plus 3 whole square, this is x square. Okay, now? What is the coefficient of x? 6. What is half coefficient of x? 3. It is b. Are you followed or not?
Yes.
Half coefficient of when this in this identity, if you take half coefficient of x, it is same as b. Are you followed all of it?
Yes.
So that means what is the coefficient of x over here?
B
B upon what is half coefficient of x? B upon 2. I'm going to add x square plus b upon ax plus b upon 2a. The whole square is equal to b. Who is talking there? You know what we have done over here? We took the half coefficient of x.
Yes.
Half of, see, what is half into b upon a? B upon 2a, because it will not simplify, no? Okay, b upon 2a is taken. So its square is added on both sides. This is of the form a square plus b square plus 2ab. Yes or no?
Yes.
That is x plus b upon a. B upon 2a, the whole square, which is equal to b square upon 4a square minus c upon a. If I multiply, so what you can make, you can take the LCM, 4a square. So what do you get? B square minus 4a square. I'll take the square root. What do you get? X plus b upon 2a is equal to plus or minus root of b square minus 4a upon root of 4a square is how much? 2a. Got it this much? I'll shift this one to that side. X is equal to minus b upon 2a plus minus root of b square minus 4a upon 2a. Denominator is same.
Yes.
Minus
Minus b plus minus root of b square minus 4ac upon 2. Forget about all these. Remember that one. I'll erase this one. Who has learned that one? This is called the quadratic formula. Learned?
Yes. No.
So learn. Learn. Stand up. Tell. Formula. Look down and tell. Look down and tell the formula. Formula is special. Okay, look. Then what is it? Learn.
X square plus bx plus
That is not the formula. That's quadratic equation. Sit down.
real formula.
Listen here. All of you listen. Still there are people are not followed. This is the quadratic formula. This formula is used to find the solution of the quadratic equation. We have done, no need to write, make it to write. No. Relax. Little more part here to write. Now, this formula we have to do this one. We have done this one method we have done is by factorization. That we have done. This is the second way to do it. There is a third way is called completing the square. That part is not there for it. Okay, this is what. Are you followed? What is this one? This formula is called quadratic formula. It is used for what? Find the solution of the quadratic equation. How many solutions you will get? Two solutions. One is plus and one is minus. Okay, learn now.
Yes, sir.
Tell the formula.
x is equal to minus b square minus b square
minus b plus minus root of b square minus 2ac minus 6 long time means that. Okay, start. Okay. You learn now? Arnav learn? Learn now? You also learn? All of you learn? Yes, learn now? You learn, I know. Okay. Okay, you learn? Okay, tell us.
Minus b plus minus root b minus
B square minus 4ac.
b square minus 4ac by 2a.
Sit down. This use formula is for what? Solution of what is the formula? Sit down. Tell.
X is equal to minus b plus minus root of b square minus 4ac upon 2a.
Look here. Over here. There is a case a square root is coming now. Okay. There is a specialty of square root. There is some limitation for square root. What is that? What is it? Two values we wrote plus minus we wrote on. Like look here. Whenever you write plus minus root of 16, what is your answer? If I write this way means plus minus 4. If it is already plus minus written means plus minus 4. Okay, this value is 4 and plus minus. That is not the case. Something else, can you identify? What? He's showing me this. Milan, Eid and all over, you said promise something, Eid, you will bring something, you did not see it. Square root, 8th standard you studied squares and square root now. That's it. Okay, listen here. You see, you studied the nature of roots. Then anything you know?
Cannot be less than 0.
B square minus 4ac cannot be less than 0. Why? If the root of negative numbers are not defined. Can you find the square root of negative numbers? Square root chapter itself we studied square root is defined only for positive numbers. No? Okay, if it is minus 5, minus 4. What is the root of minus 4? You cannot. Okay, that is why it is called imaginary. Imaginary part we will study. Yes. Huh? What happened? You are not at home. You are in class now. Okay, in between this goes. Okay. Chalo. That is why look here. This formula can be used only when b square minus 4ac is either greater than 0 or equal to 0. Now look, when b square minus 4ac is equal to 0, what will happen? This will come 0. Therefore, what will you get? Minus b plus minus 0. That is minus b upon 2a. The roots are equal. Are you remembering? We wrote the nature of the roots. If b square minus 4ac equal to 0, the roots are equal. That is minus b upon Rudra. Whatever I am speaking, I will ask you to recap over here and explain. I will sit over there. Okay, 3 parts I have explained. Now, if b square minus 4ac is greater than 0, then you will get us what? Minus b plus minus that positive. So there are 2 values are there. Now you remember now the roots are rational when the perfect square. When it is a perfect square, this root will go. Suppose if b square minus 4ac is equal to 16. Root of 16 will come to 4. If it was b square minus 4ac was 15, then root will remain, it's irrational. And irrational part is one is plus, other one will be minus. That's why you remember when you wrote now, if one of the root is a plus root b, other root will be a minus. A plus root b, a minus root. All these you can see from this formula itself. Okay, understood? So, heading right, quadratic formula. Quadratic formula. quadratic formula. Yeah. Consider the equation. Consider the equation ax square plus bx plus c equal to 0. Ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0. Below right. If b square minus 4ac greater than or equal to 0. If b square minus 4ac greater than or equal to 0, then x is equal to minus b plus minus root of b. So tell us completely, let him tell Bilal. Tell us.
Minus b plus minus root of b square minus 4ac upon 2a.
Sit down, write down. Minus b plus minus root of b square minus 4ac upon 2a. Remember, one more mistake generally happens. Listen here. This 2a is for complete. You know, not this much. Are you follow? Don't make. Why I am showing these all, generally these are the mistakes generally happens. Okay, and you cannot cancel. Suppose it is 2 and 2 here and all. Okay, because common factor. Formula is written. Okay, now all good now. Then write below. One more as a special note you can write. If b square minus 4ac equal to 0. If b square minus 4ac equal to 0, then x is equal to
Minus b by 2.
very good, minus b upon 2a, isn't it? The other this time will go to 0. Yes. This is called equal roots. Directly.
Sir, minus 3 or p?
Minus b upon 2a. Okay, it's written on the board. Okay now. One of you. Sure.
Yes, sir.
Done. Formula is learned.
Yes, sir.
Agree. Substitution and all, you have to be careful. You have to do the sums, please. 1 to 2 without mistake, all of you can do it.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Exercise. You don't have time, no? You have time? Simple. So, quadratic formula. Quadratic formula. Huh? Yeah. Pick it up. Solve. We also solve. And it's only for this. Those who completed can go. Okay. Solve by the formula. This formula. Not splitting middle term and all. Those who don't know, right? What is A?
Sir.
2. B equal to minus 3. C is equal to minus 5. Then always find the value of b square minus 4ac, that is minus 3 whole square. 4 times 2 times minus 5. You have to find out this value, then substitute the formula and replace. Who is that done? Priyanshu has got the answer. No mistake, no? Pakka.
Yes, sir.
That is equal to 3 plus or minus root 49 upon 2 times 3 plus or minus 7 divided by 4. So 2 values. Okay. 3 plus 7 by 4. So it's
5 by 2 and minus 1.
all of you know what is the homework?
Yes,
That homework exercise, second homework exercise. Okay, then chalo, bye.
Don't worry. You're so sorry. You bully me. I don't bully you. You bully me. हम लोग फिर भी पेशेंट की तरह बीड़ी कर चल क्या बोला मैम हाँ क्या क्या बोली बताइए क्या बोली उन लोग सीढ़ी नहीं बैठे उन लोग बोला हमारे हम तो हर रोज कल डेफिनेटली बहुत अच्छा था पढ़ाई करते थे पीरियड होता था फिर सब फाइनेंस का ब्रेक फिर मैंने पूरा